ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Kamat banya penbet yo port usam hapdeng ki jela kathan chete lamingi kadai usok kerdot ubala jertiau hado kata-kata bat ubala sateng daki pau snem bat haba pairu syaki jingya penbet yo port usam hapdeng ke jela Meghalaya bat ke jela Assam kadai ka waina kimat kepala sateng mentala sau pukandai snem. Nakaliang jong menteri ramba ka jela ukon rat kongkal sangma habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor hadian ka jingya kendo yau menteri ketanat kampo yeng jongkari u Amit Shah ulaong bau Amit Shah ula penpau bau angnot ban yoi ba barok ki jela ki badon hapo kani kathan syete lamingi kini penbet no yau put usam hapo usnem arajar arfuar bat ki babon na ki jela ki bala syakta hakani ka jingya ka japut kadehi bat ka jela Assam.
Regarding the border issue. And the Honorable Home Minister has very clearly stated that when Bangladesh and India can resolve the border issue, why the northeast states, which is within the Indian boundary, cannot resolve the issue. So he has urged all the states with a special focus, of course, on Assam, because most of the states have the issue with Assam. He has requested that by 2022, and August 15th, when the Honorable Prime Minister gives a speech on the 75th anniversary of India's independence, that northeast states should resolve their boundary issues. And he made that very, very clear in the meeting today. He also urged that other groups that are there, the militant groups are there. He has urged all the states to ensure that we are able to bring peace in the northeast, and why the issues with these organizations also cannot be resolved. So these are very two important points that were mentioned in the meeting today by the Honorable HM. And apart from that, all the states have expressed their concerns regarding development and the different support they require. And most chief ministers stressed on the more active role of the NEC in the overall development of the Northeast, and to act as a coordinating body, a policy-making body, and not just as a finance or the funding agency. So these were the kind of points that were discussed today and the basic summary of today's events.